Secondary functions. Secondary banking functions of the commercial banks include: Number 1. Agency services. Banks also perform certain agency functions for and on behalf of their customers. The agency services are of immense value to the people at large. The various agency services rendered by banks are as follows: collection and payment of credit instruments. Banks collect and pay various credit instruments like checks, bills of exchange, promissory notes, etc. on behalf of their customers. Purchase and sale of securities. Banks purchase and sell various securities like shares, stocks, bonds, debentures on behalf of their customers. Collection of dividends on shares. Banks collect dividends and interest on shares and debentures of their customers and credit them to their accounts. Acts as correspondent. Sometimes banks act as representative and correspondents of their customers. They get passports, travelers' tickets, and even secure air and sea passages for their customers. Income tax consultancy. Banks may also employ income tax experts to prepare income tax returns for their customers and to help them to get refund of income tax. Execution of standing orders. Banks execute the standing instructions of their customers for making various periodic payments. They pay subscriptions, rents, insurance premia, etc. on behalf of their customers. Acts as trustee and executor. Banks preserve the wills of their customers and execute them after their death. Second is general utility services. In addition to agency services, the modern banks provide many general utility services for the community as given. Locker facility. Bank provides locker facility to their customers. The customers can keep their valuables such as gold and silver ornaments, important documents, shares and debentures in these lockers for safe custody. Travelers' checks and credit cards. Banks issue travelers' checks to help their customers to travel without the fear of theft or loss of money. With this facility, the customers need not take the risk of carrying cash with them during their travels. Letter of credit. Letters of credit are issued by the banks to their customers certifying their credit worthiness. Letters of credit are very useful in foreign trade. Collection of statistics. Banks collect statistics giving more important information relating to trade, commerce, industries, money, and banking. They also publish valuable journals and bulletins containing articles on economic and financial matters. Acting referee. Banks may act as referees with respect to the financial standing, business reputation, and respectability of customers. Underwriting securities. Banks underwrite or insure the shares and debentures issued by the government, public, or private companies. Gift checks. Some banks issue checks of various denominations to be used on auspicious occasions. Accepting bills of exchange on behalf of customers. Sometimes, banks accept bills of exchange, internal as well as foreign, on behalf of their customers. It enables customers to import goods. Merchant banking. Some commercial banks have opened merchant banking divisions to provide merchant banking services. Fulfillment of socio-economic objectives. In recent years, commercial banks, particularly in developing countries, have been called upon to help achieve certain socio-economic objectives laid down by the state.